If one of your AirPods has gone dead, it won't take a charge. You put it in your case and it keeps doing this, or it just doesn't register at all. Maybe it went through the washing machine. Maybe you left it in your car and it froze overnight. This is a method that I used to kind of jumpstart it, to get enough voltage back into the AirPod earpiece so that it would register again. If you take a close look at the bottom of your AirPod, one of your earpieces, you'll see it has two contacts. Right? It has a negative and a positive, and those are going into your case, and that's how it's making contact with your case to take a charge. The problem is if it falls below a certain voltage, the case is going to decide that it's damaged or it's too dead or it's just not safe to try to charge it. So you're going to have to basically bypass the case. And the way you do that is take an Energizer 123 lithium battery. It doesn't have to be Energizer. I guess any 123 3-volt battery. You're going to connect a couple wires to it. One to the positive, which is at the top, the little hump. One to the negative, which is at the bottom. You're going to want to tape those on so they stay. And then connect those to the terminals on your AirPod earpiece. Now, the trick here is you're going to want to be, so after you get them taped on, right, so they're taped onto your battery, you're going to want to zip tie it to your AirPod piece and ensure, double, triple, quadruple check that those wires are not touching. The two contacts are not making contact with each other, because you could short circuit it and then you'll definitely fry your earpiece. I was about to throw this piece away anyways, it's out of warranty. Didn't feel like going back and getting Apple to pay to get a new one. So this method worked for me, so hopefully it'll work for you. Once you get it connected to your battery and to your earpiece, let it sit for 20 or 30 minutes. And what I found was that battery, brand new out of the case, had a 3.25 or 3.27 volts. And your AirPod case, at least according to the internet, it's providing about 3.8. So they're very similar voltage. In fact, maybe it's a bit safer with the battery because it's lower voltage than your case. And after I left them, I made a little gap there so I could measure the voltage in the wires in real time. And after I left it on for a half an hour and measured the battery itself to see what had happened, I found that the AirPod piece, it sucked out at least 0.2 volts, which was enough to get it back into the case and start charging normally again. Now, I did lose some voltage. It won't charge up to 100% anymore, but at least it's working. And so hopefully this will work for you too. Good luck.